Hey guys, welcome back to my DIY Home with Liz. In today's video, we are doing a Pottery Barn inspired piece. If you're like me, you love the look of Pottery Barn, but you're not so happy with the price for everything that they have at Pottery Barn. So today, I have a quick and easy DIY from Dollar Tree that's gonna look just as good as anything you see at Pottery Barn. So one of the things I love at Pottery Barn and even at Hobby Lobby is their really cool lanterns. So I wanted to make one that was a little bit different than the ones that I've seen from Dollar Tree and the ones that I've made. So what you want to do for this is you want to pick up 5 frames at Dollar Tree. And the ones that you want to get in particular are the 8x10 size that have the mats that go in the middle to make 2 4x6 frames. I went in and removed all of the contents from the frame, setting aside the glass so that we could use it later. And so I just have all of my frames sitting out as well as the white matting sheets. So with a project with frames like this, I think it's so much easier to spray paint it, but if you wanted to hand paint it, you could do it as well. So for the frames, I'm going to spray paint them in a dark gray Rust-Oleum color. And when you spray paint, make sure you spray the front side as well as the back because you will be able to see both pieces. I also went ahead and spray painted the mats in a white color. Now I did make a mistake and I didn't spray paint the back side. So I do recommend spray painting the front and the back as well because you're going to be able to see that. So once all of your frames and mats have had a chance to dry, you want to take them back inside and you're going to add the glass in the frames and then you're going to put the mat on top of it and then you'll just put down the little clamps to hold it in place. And you want to repeat that for all 5 of your frames. To assemble your lantern, what you want to do is you want to take one of your frames and you want to flip it so it's upside down, so it's kind of facing down. Now here you can see my mistake to why I should have painted the bottom of these, but I'll take care of that later. So next what you want to do is you're going to put a combination of E6000 and hot glue on both sides of your frame that's facing down. The reason you want to use both is because the hot glue is going to instantly hold it in place and the E6000 is just going to be a stronger bond over time. Once you put the glue down, then you're going to come in and just put 2 side frames, and these are going to be your front and back pieces along either side. Now to support it, just add something heavy. I just had some paint bottles sitting around, so I just put those around the side just to kind of hold it in place until everything has a chance to dry. Next, I would let your piece dry a little bit before you get your roof on. I would make sure that that hot glue had a chance to really set up. But to attach your roof, what you want to do is you need to put another layer of the E6000 and hot glue along the top edges. From there, you're going to take your last 2 frames and you're going to put them in the shape of a roof. Once you get them kind of at that angle that you want them at, you just add a little bit more E6000 and hot glue to the top to combine them together. So once I got my whole piece put together, I realized that you could see the back of 3 of these pieces. So I went ahead, took those mats out, painted them white on both sides, and then put them back in. Once you've completed your lantern and you've given it overnight to dry, you could put anything in here. I think it would look great with some plants. I think it would be great sitting out on a fireplace or on your dining room table. Here's a look at how I styled the final project. Okay, you guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think of my lantern. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I post 3 to 4 DIYs each week. And if you missed our last DIY, I'm gonna link it right here so you can click right here and watch that video next. And I'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.